Hey, how's it going, folks? Xander here, and I'm here with this heavy-duty clothing and shoe rack. This is the model S2. This is by VIPEK. This thing is really heavy-duty. It's an all-metal frame, 6 tiers for your shoe rack, and then this double garment hanger as well. Let's start off with the assembly. The assembly was very easy. It was very intuitive. The instructions were really easy to read. The materials are all high quality. It took no tools of my own. The entire thing is just put together with these little compression sleeves. So you don't even need any tools. You just pull down on it and then it locks it together really, really sturdy. The size is great too, at 46 left to right by only 16 inches deep by 76.5 inches high. It really maximizes space with a very minimal footprint. And on top of that, it is fully customizable. Now it comes with instructions to put together 2 set configurations, one with all of the shoe racks on one side and the garment racks on the other, and the other with 2 garment racks along the top and then the shoe racks along the bottom. I opted for the first configuration just because that works better for my purposes. This thing is also really, really strong, holding up to 850 pounds or 385 kilograms. It is going to hold everything that you need to put on there and more. As far as the shelves, VIPEK did a really good job with one little attention to detail, which is they made narrower bars where your heel of your shoe would go. So if you have shoes with narrow heels, they're not going to fall through like they would in more traditional racking styles that are similar to this. Now, I live in a 100-year-old home. Storage space is very limited. We have small bedrooms and smaller or even no closets. And so it really is hard for me to find places and ways to store my clothes. And I am a clothes horse and my wife likes clothes as well. So we really did need storage solutions. And VIPEK is, in my opinion, probably the best manufacturer of these versatile storage solutions. So check them out and see what else it is they do.